Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services, and here you have to find parental controls. Now click on let's do this and then click sign in. Now you have to enter your child's email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your child password. Now click I agree. Then click accept. And click on supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next. Then click allow. Click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.